Hi, I'm Shailey and I'm a third year bio major.
Hi, my name is Amanda, and I'm a third year philosophy major. And today we're going to be going over our reflections in the CESF fellowship for the spring 2024 semester.
So just for a quick overview of what we'll be discussing, we'll go a little bit into who we are and our background with the project, what we've accomplished in this specific semester, what we hope to continue accomplishing in the future semesters, and what we've learned and why we're so grateful for the fellowship.
Yeah, and so we have been in this fellowship now for a whole academic year. This is our second semester. We were introduced to all of this in last year's conference in Hawaii. We were fortunate enough to go as students, and so then when we were offered this project of planning a student track, which Shaylee will go more over in just a second, it was a really great opportunity to kind of try out for us.
Yeah, so like Amanda mentioned, we're actually working towards creating a specific student track for the next Continuums of Service conference, which is scheduled to take place in spring 2025 in Seattle. And so we're hoping to create a full student-specific event before the conference that's really focused on giving students personal and professional development opportunities and as well as networking opportunities, both among peers and among students and grad programs.
Yeah, and so our work that we've done towards this project this semester specifically is we've kind of accomplished three major things. Our first thing is creating a rough agenda outline. This, of course, is going to be super flexible as we get more information closer to the conference date, but so far we are hoping to have at least a poster session, a panel session for students, as well as time for them to network with one another and the team that they came with, as well as a student mixer in the evening. We were hoping to add that so that way students can connect across campuses.
And then the second thing that we've been working on are conference surveys. So we hope to integrate lots of opportunities for reflection in this event, both so that we can reflect on how we have done in terms of planning the conference, and so that students can reflect on their presentations and their involvement. And so the three different types of surveys we've been working on are a more general conference survey, a survey for those students who participate in the panel session, and then a rating for the student posters. And based on those ratings, we hope to give awards to recognize exemplary students.
Yeah, and so on top of that, we also created our poster submissions rubric. So we have our call for posters, which we will send out in the fall academic semester next fall, and then we also have our rubric for how we will be scoring the posters that are turned into us. So we have that, of course, is going to change, but we have our kind of bulk of that already planned out, and we will adjust as we get the conference theme and all of that. Um, but yeah, and so now. We also have a list of our future goals that we hope to achieve in the next semester, which Shaylee will go over right now.
Yeah, so in terms of future goals, since we'll be pretty close to this to the conference next semester, we just need to flesh out some of the final details. We hope to get other students involved by creating a student committee to grade the poster submissions that we do receive. We also need to confirm our keynote speaker for the event, as well as reach out to local organizations for potential donations that we could use for things like student awards or giveaways. We also just want to coordinate with the general conference planning team to plan our layout, figure out the logistics, and make sure that we're aligned with the conference theme and the ideas that they have put forth.
Yeah, and so finally, just to kind of reflect on what we've learned this semester from this amazing experience in the fellowship, we're gonna be saying the phrase again as from our last video last semester. So because of my experience in the Lead California Community Engagement Student Fellowship Program, I feel like I've gained a lot of personal and professional skills in the area of like event planning and kind of coordinating a lot of different aspects of an event that I usually wouldn't encounter in my major here at Fresno State. So I really appreciated that and getting to know a lot of people. And I also was able to go to a conference this semester to do research for this student track. So I'm very grateful for that.
Uh, And I can say that because of my experience in the program, I've been able to take a more behind the scenes approach to the conference, which has been really special because students aren't normally involved on the planning committee necessarily. And so I'm really excited to hopefully engage students all across different universities and have them come out to our events and have a great time. And
Perfect.
that's all we have for you. Thank you so much.